I need to get some things off my chest because this is also confusing. Nothing makes sense about the way I'm feeling. I'm having the hardest time recognizing my own self. As you all know that I recently got re-employed after being unemployed for 8 months. I finally found a job and I moved to Germany to do a new job. Then I realized that my mindset and my attitude was much more positive in these 8 months than it is now. All of a sudden, I'm just building up all of these negative feelings. Genuinely, I'm not trying to sound ungrateful or deny any of my privileges, but I just feel like when I was unemployed, I had this freedom to control my own life and my own time. Work hasn't even gotten intense yet. It's just starting to build up, and I already feel so drained. I feel so tired. I feel like मेरी खुद की life मेरी नहीं. I'm feeling mad and angry about the life I left behind rather than working and doing something to change my present life. For some reason, I cannot stop comparing every little thing in this place to the US and how the US was better in some aspect. I don't know why I'm doing this, but every day I'm finding more and more and more reasons to not like this place, even though like it's not been bad to me. Visa process was smooth, my employers were so fair and genuine, the people have been nice. For example, I've been feeling really angry about 40% taxes, and then I found out that I can actually monetize my social media in Germany. Instead of being happy and grateful that I can, I felt mad that I would have to pay 40% tax on my social media income. Really mad about the weather. I'm mad about the snow. Like, the snow here is so disgusting. Like, the snow in Chicago was better. Like, I'm fucking comparing snow. Maybe it's the fact that I'm in a long distance relationship and I just think that it's not fair that I have to be in a long distance relationship. What I'm feeling really mad about is how I've not been able to show up on social media, because this became a big part of my life. The very reason why I pursued biotech in the first place is because I wanted to change people's lives. I wanted to do something for the world. I wanted to do something big. And in these 8 months of unemployment, I saw the kind of impact that I had on people just with my ranting and my vulnerability online. I'm just thinking that I was in a place where I actually wanted to be all my life, to be in an influential position where I was actually impacting people's lives, and I can't do that anymore because I'm just an employee. कुछ लोगों ने literally ये भी बोला कि my content helped them cope with a close one's death. I cannot even tell you what this did to me, you know. I know that I'm still living a lot of people's dream lives, and again, I'm not trying to be ungrateful, but it's just that I'm having a really hard time adjusting to this new life. इतने लोग मेरे पास guidance मांगने के लिए आते रहते हैं. भाई मैं खुद lost हूँ, मैं तुमको क्या guidance दूंगी? You know, you guys look up to me for positivity and to find motivation, and अब मैं खुद ऐसी बातें कर रही हूँ. I'm sorry.